Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Abid. Dear students, in previous lesson we did the activity of collective nouns and use of must and mustn't. In this activity, that is also the last activity of unit 2, that is Chinese New Year. It is based on fill in the blanks with present indefinite and present continuous tenses. Option C says make the present indefinite or present continuous sentences. So we have 6 blanks. We are given with the verbs and we are to choose either the blank will take simple present tense or present continuous tense. So what is the basic difference between these two kinds of same tense तो वही है और ये उसकी kinds हैं. Present simple tense is used to express habitual statements or general truths or exclamatory sentences or universal truths, while present continuous tense is used when an activity is going on or happening or occurring at the time it is being spoken of या at the time it is continuing, वो जारी है उसी वक्त उसके मतलब उस एक्टिविटी के मतलब बात की जाए या हो रही हो. So some statements have obvious clarity or adverb of frequency that tell the statement belongs to simple present tense. Like the first blank we see here, you into not oblique like dash chocolate, means we are to construct this sentence in negative form. Negative form में बनाना है. Now we are to choose the tense, either it will be constructed in simple present tense or present continuous tense. So if we ponder over a little, we can see that it is a statement that expresses habitual, जो कि आदतन बात को जाहिर कर रहा है. So here appropriate answer will be you do not like. You do not like chocolates because it is a habitual statement. Next second statement says she into not oblique study dash at the moment. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं here we are given an adverb of time that is at the moment. Dear students, if you see at the moment, at present, these type of adverbs belong to continuous form. It means an activity is continuing or going on or happening at the time the speaker is speaking of about that activity. So keeping this part in view, we are going to construct this sentence in present continuous form. It's also in negative form. She, it is third person singular, so it will take is not, studying, present participle. She is not studying at the moment, वो इस वक्त पढ़ाई नहीं कर रही है. Next statement, students, it's statement number 3. They into not oblique eat dash rice every day. Here you can see it is an adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency like every day, usually, generally, monthly, often. So when these adverbs appear in the sentence are generally constructed in simple present tense or present indefinite tense. So this sentence again in negative construction, we are going to write here they do not eat. They is plural, and with plural in simple present tense we take helping verb do, and with singular property we take does. Let's move to the next statement, that is we not work dash now. Here again you can see students, dear students, here is an adverb of time, that is now. This adverb of time also shows the activity is going on at the time it is being spoken of, कि जिस वक्त इस एक्टिविटी सरगर्मी के मतलब बात की जा रही है उसी वक्त ये एक्टिविटी वकूफ़ पजीर भी हो रही है. सो हेयर वी आर गोइंग टू कंस्ट्रक्ट दिस सेंटेंस इनटू प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म. सिंस वी हैव प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट दैट इज़ वी, सो इट विल टेक आर. वी आर नॉट, WORKING with present participle means addition of ing with the root word work, so it is present participle. We are not working now, हम इस वक्त काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. Let's move to the next statement. It says it into rain dash a lot here. It's a general truth. So in the beginning as I have told you that if the sentence expresses habitual statement, if it is about a general truth, or it is an exclamatory sentence, or it is a universal truth, so it is constructed in simple present tense. Now we need to see its subject, that is it, which is singular, so we are going to add an s or es with its verb. So RAINS, rains. It rains a lot here. It rains a lot here. Let's move to the next and last statement, that is I into go dash on holiday tomorrow. Here you can see it's an adverb of time that indicates future time. Future time. Here students, you must know if a sentence is constructed in future. Future में बच्चा an activity that has already been planned to do in future, then instead of making that statement into simple future tense, it is better to construct that sentence into present continuous form. तो उसको present continuous form में construct किया जाता है. इसी वजह से हम यहाँ पर जो है इस जुमले को प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म में कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे. सिंस वी हैव सब्जेक्ट आई एंड आई टेक्स एम विद इट. आई एम, go is the base verb and ing we are going to use with it. Now it is present participle. I am going on holiday tomorrow. Dear student, with this we have completed the exercise of second unit, that is Chinese New Year. उम्मीद है समझ आई होगी. इससे अगले लेसन में हम इंशाल्लाह ताला ऑब्जेक्टिव करेंगे और वहाँ पर इन सब एक्टिविटीज़ का इस्तेमाल बताएंगे कि एक्चुअली हमने ये सारा समझा क्यों है. टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़.